The announcement on Monday that Kenya would soon go the nuclear way in its search for energy security has stirred the energy sector. But some industry analysts say the minister may have jumped the gun.
I really don't think we are ready for nuclear energy.
The country's total installed electricity is 1,300 megawatts. The bulk of the energy, 60%, about 720 megawatts, is hydro-generated from the country's 7 hydroelectric dams. Geothermal sources produce less than 200 megawatts. The other sources include wind, biomass and petroleum diesel. The government says it is targeting a total of 15,000 megawatts by the year 2030 and that nuclear energy is the key.
What we need to do is actually to stabilize and diversify the sources.
The country's geothermal energy potential stands at 6,000 megawatts, making Kenya only second to New Zealand. But currently, only 200 megawatts is being exploited. Studies show that the country has a wind energy potential of about 3,000 megawatts. But that resource too remains a missed opportunity.
Turkana in Marsabit, where the wind speeds are really good. The wind speeds are some of the best in the world.
Those opposed to the nuclear energy venture argue that it will not cater for the rural population, which depends on biomass, energy from wood and organic materials.
People use a lot of charcoal and a lot of firewood, and nuclear energy will not really cater for that.
Energy sector players say solar energy, which is useful in the rural areas, is expensive when it comes to electricity generation, while coal energy is not a favorite for environmentalists who are concerned about the emission of greenhouse gases. Hydroelectric power generation is by far the most exploited source, but even then, with 6 of the 7 major hydro dams dependent on the Tana River, it is not the safest bet.
In terms of stability, it's not a very nice situation where you have 7 dams on one river.
The debate over the prospects for nuclear energy in the country will no doubt spill over into the new year. And with nuclear energy stoking controversy throughout the world, this latest proposal by the government is unlikely to settle the energy question in the country. Rita Tinina, NTV Business.